Happy Mother's Day. I want to give you the gift of health from my home to yours. So for this Mother's Day, we're going to be offering you a complimentary disinfecting spray bottle, and I'll explain that when you purchase our Hydro Shot. So what's the Hydro Shot? The Hydro Shot is a bottle that produces molecular hydrogen gas at a concentration of around 5 to 6 ppm. That might not seem like, that exciting to you, but what you want to know is the therapeutic dose is considered 0.5. So you're getting 5 to 6 ppms with this bottle. So you can do this several times a day. You can't have any side effects or overdoses from it. It's just going to give you more health. So that's this guy. You can also use it on your skin. It helps to tone your skin, age spots, moles, wrinkles, eczema, psoriasis. This is great for spraying on your skin topically and also helps promote collagen production. So this is our disinfecting spray. It's valued at $250. You get complimentary when you purchase this. So almost 2 for 1 in a way. So this guy here is going to make hypochlorous acid and hypochlorite. That is water that disinfects and kills all bacteria and germs. So we're looking at MRSA, staph, gangrene, AIDS virus, E. coli, salmonella. You can also use it on your skin as well. It oxidizes, helps to age that skin if it's open to an outside wound. So it helps to oxidize and close up the pores, and it coagulates the blood. So it's fantastic for your skin. It's great to use around the home. Gets rid of bleach. None of us really want bleach hanging out, especially if your kids, drink the bleach. It's not good. This is non-toxic and it's safe. You can use it instead of using household contaminants. So go over to Healthy Hydration today and get yourself the Hydro Shot, and make sure to put in the promo code at the very end of the checkout, Mother's Day, and you will receive this gift here right now, Friday to Monday. Cheers.